Hello, and welcome to my channel, Empowering Finance with Technology. My name is Arnab Datta. If you regularly work with data coming from multiple sources, whether different departments, branches, or showrooms, then this video is going to be a game changer for you. Today, we are exploring the Vstack and Hstack functions in Excel, a tool that helps you instantly consolidate data from various tables into one dynamic, clean, and professional report. However, these functions are only available to Excel 365 subscribers. Using a simple example of a car dealer managing data from multiple manufacturers and showrooms, I'll show you how VStack function stacks datasets, updates automatically when new information is added or removed, and works beautifully with functions like PIVOTBY and CHOOSECOLS for quick summarization. By the end of this video, you will know how to build a fully automated consolidated report that expands, contracts, and adapts in real time, saving you hours of manual work and eliminating formatting headaches. Let's dive in.
Stack function in Excel. A car dealer having dealership of 3 manufacturers A, B, and C. The dealer has the details of cars purchased from each of the manufacturers. Now the dealer wants to have a consolidated report of all the cars purchased. We shall use Vstack to quickly consolidate all cars purchased from the manufacturers. Go to first row and type in the headers. In cell A2, type in the formula as shown in the screen. Stack function neatly stacks up the 3 ranges selected into one consolidated table. Dealership will now have the records of all the cars purchased in one table. Stack in Excel. Here the main emphasis is on the month of sale. The same data is received from manufacturers in a different format. First, write the description in column A. Then select cell B7 and type in the formula as shown on the screen. All the cars purchased from different manufacturers are shown side by side in one table. The VStack function can be a true game changer for corporate offices that regularly consolidate reports from multiple sources, whether divisions, showrooms, shops, or branches. Instead of manually merging data and struggling with formatting issues, VStack allows you to build a dynamic, consolidated report that automatically expands or contracts based on incoming inputs. In this demonstration, we'll show how to design a report that seamlessly integrates data from different contributors, adjusts in real time as new information is added or removed, eliminates formatting challenges, ensuring a clean and professional output every time. With Vstack, the consolidation process becomes faster, more reliable, and far less error-prone, empowering teams to focus on analysis rather than repetitive manual work. We have a car dealer having 3 showrooms. Showroom A, Showroom B, and Showroom C. Earlier, we have converted the data of each of the showrooms into tables. Now we shall consolidate the data. Input the headers. Input the formula as shown on the screen. The data from the 3 showrooms are stacked one over other. Now we shall have to summarize the data. We shall do the summarization by using PIVOTBY function. We shall use PIVOTBY and CHOOSECOLS function around the Vstack function to summarize the data. After the application of the functions, the data is nicely summarized. Now we shall add some data to showroom A table and see what happens to the consolidation table. When you add data to the table, it automatically expands to include the new data. We observe both the rows which were added to showroom A table are automatically added to consolidated table. Let us observe what happens if we delete the 2 rows from the bottom of the showroom A table. In the consolidated table, both the rows are deleted automatically. Now let us add some data to showroom B and showroom C tables and observe what happens. You will observe all the 5 new rows added in showroom B and C tables appear in the consolidated table. Now we shall see how include a new showroom D in the consolidated table. For this, we shall delete the extra rows which were added to tables showroom A, showroom B, and showroom C. This is the data for showroom D. To include the showroom D data in the consolidated table, go to the consolidated table and change the formula as shown on the screen. Basically, you will have to include showroom D in the formula. You will observe that all data of showroom D is added to the consolidated table. So we have a consolidated table which automatically increases or decreases in size based on the data input without any formatting challenges. So Vstack can be used as a great tool to prepare consolidated reports. Is the list of my social media accounts. Feel free to connect with me. If you find the video useful to you, please click like, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to get notification as soon as a new video is uploaded. Feel free to leave your comments to improve my channel.